how to make map text fonts larger on Mitsubishi Outlander. So at the very beginning, let's start by using the home screen. Here, let's use the settings button located at the upper part of the screen. Now we've got access to all settings. Select here the navigation. From navigation, you need to choose the first section, which is the map settings. Then from map settings, you need to scroll down. And here, if you scroll down, you should see the map text size. So this accessibility settings adjusts the global font scale for all digital names, signs, and numbers written directly on the map graphic. You can switch between small, medium, or large, as you can see right here, to ensure you can easily read street names from a distance without straining your eyes. So that's it. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to our channel and leave a thumbs up.